Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question number 7 from the final review Regents packet. It's just a bunch of Algebra 1 random questions, and this one is number 7. This is basically testing your understanding of the properties. Right? So they've given us this equation. It's a linear equation, and all you have to do is figure out what happened, how do we go from this step to this step. And what you'll see is that the -8 has been added to this side over here. And the way that we do it is we just use inverse operations or the opposite. So I added 8 to this side, I added 8 to this side. This canceled out, which is why it's gone. And then over here, this becomes 18. So all you have to say is, what did I do to move that -8 to the other side? Well, I added 8 to both sides. So that would be the addition property of inequality. All right, now I'm going to go through and show you a couple more things. If we had tried to solve this and we distribute, right, we made this 6x, 3 times 2, and then we said 3 times 5. Oops. This would have been the distributive property, but we didn't do that. We just did the addition property, right? And then if you move things around, so if I have 7x plus 18 and I make it 18 plus 7x, that's the commutative property. That just means you just move the order, and you can do that for addition. So if you move 2 terms around and they are being added, and you make the second one the first one and the first one the second one, that's just the commutative property. The multiplication property of equality would be something like this. If I had 1/2 x equals 14, and then I said, let's get rid of this by multiplying both sides by 2. If I multiply both sides by 2, that would be the multiplication property of equality. So I just went through and showed you what the other properties were how an example of the other properties. But the one that we use for this example is we just added 8 to both sides, so it's the addition property. All right, that's it. I hope this is helpful. I'm going to stop and post.